So if you're looking for an air fryer that's going to allow you to cut down your cooking time and doesn't take much room up on your countertop, this is worth looking at. So in this review, I'm going to go over all the features of this, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it to the test. So this is a nice compact size. It's less than 12 inches tall, wide, and deep. Of course, we do have our cooking pot here, which I really like. This is 5 quarts. You can see here the glass is just really nice and thick. Got a good handle, it's easy to grip, and it also comes with this stainless steel screen, so it's not coated with any materials, and the screen and the cooking pot are both dishwasher safe. So we've got a pretty nice large LED screen. Up here is our power button. When we tap that, we're going to get 8 presets here. Up here is going to display the temperature and also the time. So the 8 presets are, we've got steak, chicken wings, fish, fries. We can do a whole chicken. We've got cake, which we're definitely going to test that out today. We've got pizza and DIY. So for instance, if you hit steak, it's going to tell you the time. If you go up here, you can go ahead and just change that to the temperature. And you can also, when you're doing DIY, you can change the timer anywhere up to 60 minutes, and also the temperature anywhere from 100 degrees to 400 degrees. Now there's also a trigger inside. When you pull this out, it's going to automatically turn off, and then when you put it back in, it'll just continue on. It also comes with a recipe book with all your settings and then tons of recipes. So one thing I do when I'm using my air fryer for the first time, I make sure I wash any components, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 10-minute dry run. I'm going to set this at its highest setting for 10 minutes to burn off any factory imperfections. So my first test is going to be French fries. It's so easy with the preset. I just put them into the pot, put them in the machine, hit the button, and then go. I just want to make sure the French fries are just nice and crispy on the outside and nice and moist on the inside. We don't want any dry French fries, and let's see how it turns out. So I just use the French fries preset. I always want to make sure it's just not burnt, it's nice and crispy, and then it's not too dry on the inside, because sometimes that can happen. They do taste moist, and they taste really good. Everything came out really well. Got some frozen mini tacos that I love to eat. I'm going to try out. I just put them into the air fryer, hit my temperature and my time, and it's ready to go. So I've got some little mini tacos here we decided to go ahead and cook. I mean, they're nice and crispy, and then the insides are nice and soft too where the meat is, which is exactly what I wanted. These are perfect. They're just crispy where they need to be. On the inside, came out fantastic. I do appreciate the brand sending this to me so I could show you all the features. So it's nice and compact, easy to use. I love all the presets that it has, and I hope you found this review helpful.